Hi, Rob Rye with Control Techniques, and today we're going to talk about maintaining the filters on the freestanding drive. Now before we get started, let's take a moment to talk about safety. Always make sure the main circuit breaker is switched to the off position and you're following your company's local lockout tagout procedures. The unit we're going to be working on today is our NEMA 12 freestanding drive. This has a filter at the bottom of the door and at the rooftop. To access the media at the bottom of the door, pull on the blue latch and open the cover. Media can be pulled out. Something to note about the filter media is both sides are different. One side has a logo and the other side is blank. When replacing the media, make sure that logo is towards the inside. If you tuck the media into the housing and then close the door. To change the filters at the roof, you're going to need to remove the cover. In each corner of the cover, there's a cam lock which needs to be rotated 90 degrees using a T25 Torx bit. I'm unlocking the last cam lock, which is a 90-degree turn counterclockwise. Remove the cover by lifting up. There are 4 filters in the top of the unit. Just like below, make sure the logo is facing in. Replace the media and put the cover back on just as it came off. Tighten the cam locks 90 degrees to lock in each corner. Every environment can be different. Check your filters periodically and replace them as necessary. This not only helps prevent buildup of debris inside the enclosure, but also helps prevent the drive from tripping on over temperature due to restricted airflow. To order replacement filters, contact Control Techniques customer service. Provide them with the wiring diagram number located on the legend plate of your unit. Thank you for watching, and thanks for choosing Control Techniques.